Hi, today we're looking at the vowel sounds oo and the long form, which is ooh. All right, so these are vowel sounds and they're monophthongs. The reason they're called monophthongs, mono means one. So the reason they're called monophthongs is because they're not combined with any other sound. Okay, so the first one is ooh. It is short and sharp. Ooh, say ooh, ooh. And you have them in words that have double O letters, words like cook, cook, book. Ooh, you can see b, ooh, k, short and sharp. Book, book, took, took. Yeah. And then we also have words like suit, suit, SOOT, suit, right? So that sound is short and sharp. Ooh. Then the longer form is ooh, ooh. So this is longer, and that's why it has the colon by the side. So we have ooh. Now, this sound can be found in words that also have um, the double O letters in them. Words like smooth, smooth, ooze, ooze, school, school. I'm going to school, school. This same sound can be found in words that have the letters U and E in them. Words like glue, glue, clue, ooh, clue, clue, blue, blue, tissue, ooh, tissue, ooh, tissue. Some more words with the letters OO in them. We have words like mood, mood, spoon, spoon, snooze, 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 tooth, tooth, tooth. I'll arrive as soon as possible. Soon. Now, what other examples do we have? You can put down some other examples that you know in the comment section, right? You can also find this sound in words that have the letters O and U. Words like group, group. Every member of this group is invited. Group, group. Soup. I love vegetable soup. What's your favorite soup? Let me know in the comment section. And then we also have wound, wound, wound. Okay, so these are some words that have the sound oo and ooh in them. Whenever you come across a word in the dictionary and it has this either the short form oo or the long form oo in them, it means that you should pronounce that particular part, that syllable, as ooh, regardless of how it is spelled. Okay, so this is the phonetic symbol of the long oo and the short ooh sounds. All right, so if you found this content helpful, if you found this video helpful, if you learned a thing or two from this video, please give it a like, click the subscribe button, and also share with your friends. You can also check the description for some other videos I've made on pronunciations to help your pronunciation skills. All right, so I will see you in my next video. Bye.